Lily and the Falling Stars. On the edge of a quiet village, there lived a little girl named Lily. She loved to sit by her window every night, gazing at the sparkling stars in the sky. "They're so beautiful," she would whisper to herself. One evening, as Lily watched the stars, a tiny light zipped across the sky and landed in the meadow nearby. "A falling star!" Lily gasped. She quickly grabbed a jar and ran outside. In the meadow, Lily found the little star, glowing softly in the grass. It was no bigger than her hand and shimmered like a diamond. "I'll keep you safe," Lily said, placing the star gently in her jar. The next night, Lily saw another star fall. She ran to catch it too. "I'll have the brightest collection of stars," she thought. She placed the second star in her jar, and it glowed even brighter. Night after night, Lily ran through the meadow collecting falling stars. Her jar was soon filled with tiny twinkling lights. "Now I have my own stars," Lily said proudly. But something strange began to happen. The stars in the jar didn't sparkle as brightly as before. They seemed dim and quiet. Lily frowned. "Why aren't you shining?" she asked. The stars didn't answer, but their light grew weaker. That night, Lily looked up at the sky. It didn't sparkle like it used to. The stars were fewer, and the night felt darker. Lily's heart sank. "Did I take too many stars?" she wondered. The next evening, Lily sat by her window, holding her jar of stars. She missed the way the sky used to look, full of twinkling lights. "Maybe stars belong in the sky," she thought sadly. Lily decided to do something brave. She carried her jar back to the meadow and opened the lid. "Go back home," she whispered to the stars. One by one, they floated out, rising into the sky. As the stars returned to the sky, they began to sparkle again. The night grew brighter and more beautiful than ever. Lily smiled, feeling a warmth in her heart. "They're happiest up there," she said. The next night, Lily sat by her window again. The sky was full of twinkling stars, just like before. She didn't feel the need to catch them anymore. Instead, she enjoyed their beauty from afar. One evening, Lily's friend Ben came to visit. "Why do you always sit by the window?" he asked. Lily pointed to the sky. "Look at the stars. Aren't they amazing?" she said. Ben nodded. "They're so pretty," he said. Lily smiled. "Let's watch them together." The two friends sat side by side, sharing the magical view of the starlit sky. From then on, Lily invited her friends to join her. They would sit under the stars, telling stories and laughing together. The night sky became their favorite place to be. Lily learned something important. The stars weren't meant to be kept in a jar. Their beauty was meant to be shared and enjoyed by everyone. That made her happier than having them all to herself. One night, as Lily and her friends watched the sky, a shooting star streaked across the heavens. "Make a wish!" Ben shouted. Lily closed her eyes and smiled. "I wish for more nights like this." The stars seemed to twinkle brighter, as if they had heard her wish. Lily felt a deep happiness inside. She didn't need to own the stars to feel their magic. As the seasons passed, Lily and her friends continued to enjoy the starlit nights. they learned to appreciate the simple joy of being together under the vast, sparkling sky. Lily's jar sat empty on her windowsill, but it reminded her of the lesson she had learned. The best things in life couldn't be kept. They were meant to be shared. The villagers noticed Lily's happiness and began to join her. Soon the whole village would gather in the meadow to watch the stars, telling stories and singing songs. The meadow became a special place where everyone felt connected to the beauty of the universe. Lily felt proud, knowing she had helped bring them together. One night, Lily looked up at the stars and whispered, "Thank you for teaching me." The stars seemed to twinkle back, as if they understood. From that day on, Lily never tried to catch the stars again. Instead, she treasured the moments she could spend under their light, surrounded by friends and laughter. The stars continued to fall from time to time, but Lily didn't chase them. She knew they were a gift to the sky, not to be kept in a jar. As Lily grew older, she shared her story with others. "The stars are like happiness," she would say. "You can't keep it all to yourself. It shines brightest when you share it." And so, Lily and her village lived happily under the stars, cherishing the beauty of the night and the joy of sharing it with those they loved.